So, the first, before driving, driver must check the vehicle condition, brakes, tire, line, mirror, and full level in indication. Everyone in the car must fasten their seatbelt. Their steps help prevent technical problems and reduce the risk of injury. Second, while driving, driver must obey speed limits, keep a safe distance, and stay focused on the road. Using mobile phone or doing other activity while driving is strictly forbidden. And concentration ensure quick and accurate response to unexpected situations. Thus, the car must be parked properly, the engineer turned off, and the handbrake applied. Driver and classmates should review the test drive together to share experience and identify technical issues. Uh, 4. Um, Driver must not drive under the influence of alcohol or drug, must not ignore warning signal from the vehicle, and must not leave the car running onto the road. Their action can cause zero danger. Finally, why safety ruler master? Following safety ruler protect life, prevent accident, and show the professional responsibility for engineering students. It also build awareness of vehicle performance and ride behavior. Thank you for listening.